Hi and welcome to Vidtechy YouTube channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create a YouTube channel. If you already have a YouTube channel, but wish to create a new branded channel, this is a step-by-step explanation of how to do them. The first step is to visit youtube.com. You can sign in on youtube.com by clicking the sign in button. Sign in. You'll need to choose another account here. Click on another account. You'll need to create a new account. Click Create an Account. Here are three options. The first option is for me, the second for my child, and the third one is for my business. You should go with them to manage your business. With branded accounts, you can manage multiple channels from one account, and viewers can't see your name or email address. Here's where you can put your name. In your YouTube channel, this name doesn't show up. Here's what you need to do: make a new Gmail account. Click here and you just type and check if it's available, so you just check. It's already taken. I'll try another name with a unique name. Password needs to be given. Click Next. After you click Next, you'll have to give your phone number, or you'll have to give your recovery email. Both of these are optional. If you have, just give it. So these two are mandatory. Click Next. Let's agree on this. Click here to agree. Once you click Agree, your Google account is ready. It's time to set up for business. It's time to go for YouTube. For now, click on Not Now. And we're inside youtube.com. Here's our new account. If you want to create a channel with this newly created Google account, just click the profile icon and click Create a Channel. After you click Create a Channel, you'll need to name it. This is the name of your YouTube channel. Here's your handle. After that, click Create Channel. We've created our new YouTube channel under the name Mr. Notify Engage. We've successfully created a channel called Mr. Notify Engage. You can see everything here. Once you click here on the profile icon, go to Settings. Once you go to Settings, you can create a new channel with multiple channels. Within your YouTube account, you can manage everything. You've successfully created your channel now. In order to do the custom thumbnail, you need to verify your channel. For that, click your profile icon, then YouTube Studio. When you click YouTube Studio, you'll see the settings on the left. Just click it. Once you click Channels, you need to check Future Eligibility. Once you click Future Eligibility, you need to verify this, so see here. This is the intermediate future, where the video is longer than 15 minutes, then custom thumbnails, and finally live to stream. In order to change your thumbnail and upload a video longer than 15 minutes, you'll need to verify your phone number in your YouTube channel. At the same time, if you want the advanced features, you need a valid ID. For example, take a picture of your license. And once you are eligible, then you can able to access this advanced feature. Therefore, we highly recommend you verify your phone number and get access to these features. What's the best way to optimize your YouTube channel? I'll show you in the next video. Stay tuned for the next video. I hope you enjoy the video. If you want to see more videos about YouTube marketing, subscribe to our YouTube channel Vidtechy. Thanks for watching.